Pull up a chair and get comfortable. It's time to talk about your federal benefits. Federal Employee Benefit Coordinators presents the FEBC podcast with Elizabeth Inman and Brian Fentress.
Just when we think we're about to get it down pat, federal retirement is just going to get harder and harder. Oh my goodness, over 200,000 federal retirees this year, going to get more and more. I mean, numbers are doubling. I mean, like the Postal Service, they're projecting this year, next year, double the normal number of retirees. And what is OPM going to do? They're going to pilot online federal retirement forms. What? Have you seen any of the articles? Have you done the research? Oh yeah, they're going to pilot online retirement forms. I know if you're like me, you're saying, well, it's about time. I mean, we've been using these old archaic forms for years. I mean, it feels like centuries. Oh, okay, maybe I exaggerated a little bit. Decades, literally decades, right? We are in technology, cyberspace. Are you guys used to what I'm used to with our... Okay, I got to stop, right? Okay, let's think positive, Elizabeth. We're going to think positive. Let's forget about the change in the bookkeeping system that we went through with TSP in 2022. Let's forget about ACA.org and the crash that we had with the Affordable Care Act. Let's forget about Postal Service health benefits and no, everything's going to run smooth, right? Oh, but wait a minute. I read that article that said they're going to pilot online retirement forms and they're anticipating major problems with it. Why? Oh, maybe it's because we have over 9 million federal employees. Maybe it's because they retire over 200,000 retirees or wannabe retirees every year. Maybe it's because it's one of the most massive, how do I say this, transitions into online platforms that they will deal with. I mean, do you want to take on that project? How about this? Do you want to be the one to communicate how to do that? I mean, I've been dealing the last going on 15 years. I've been communicating with just people that want to retire using the paperwork, the old-fashioned way. I can only imagine what it's going to be like when we start working with employees that are out there doing their job every day and they don't get on a computer but maybe half a dozen times a year because they're out there working every day, and then try to get them retired using an online process. Oh my goodness. Now I know most of you guys out there, you're whizzes on the computer. No big deal, right? You'll say, oh, it's about time. Oh yeah, a lot of you will be that way. I'm not worried about you, quite frankly. It's those that are my age and older that gave it your best years, that have been on the job 30 plus years, 40 plus years. And you're going to try to figure out how to do this online business. Yeah, well, all I can do is tell you we'll do our best to keep up with it too. Federal Employee Benefit Coordinators. It's not here yet. This is a watch out, watch and listen, buyers beware type of announcement that they've announced. The pilot is coming. They're hoping to have a pilot in 2025. Oh, I know. We're a couple of 2 or 3, 6, 8 weeks away. Just blink. 2025 is right around the corner. And there are those of you that's right now planning retirement in 2025. If they pilot that like they piloted the prescription Part D drug program for health benefits in 2024, look out. So stay tuned. That's why we're here. That's why we do these videos. Maybe this is the first you've heard about it, that there's going to be a pilot for online retirement forms. I don't know. I'll let you know as I know. If you hear, hey, how about you call us and keep us informed? 918-396-5171. Let's keep informed together.